Okay, so in Korean counting number, there are two types of number. Is first one is a sign number, and second is a pure number. So today we are going to study about sign number. So sign number means also Chinese language. Okay, so also Chinese language is most part of a Korean language is coming from Chinese. As I mean not Chinese, but the Korean as a language is a little from us Chinese. So a sign number is from Chinese a little. Okay, so let's us explain about that. So sign number is we use when you use Korean language as we use most commonly. Is for example counting money or days or time or measuring things. Measuring is that like that centimeter or liter or some milliliter like that. Okay, and then also phone number. Okay, phone number like this. Okay, look at this. And then do you know how to read the Korean language? Do you know? Okay, let's see. Go to. Okay, what is a sign number? So there is a sign number, okay? This is sign number. This sign number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is, okay, let's see. It's a little, too much a little. So this is like this. Okay, right now, just listen. Okay, listen how to read. So I will explain more also in details. It's a few minutes also later. So let's see. Okay, let's see how to read. Listen. Okay, it's one and sign number is il. Okay, il. And then two is e. And then three is sam. And then four is sa. And then five is o. And six is 육. And then seven is 칠. And then eight is 팔. And nine is 구. And then 10 is 10. Okay, one more time. One is 일, and then two is 이, and then three is 삼, and four is 사, and five is 오, and six is 육, and seven is 칠, and eight is 팔, and nine is 구, and 10 is 10. And then we do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you would like to use this one naturally, you should remember everything. You should memorize this one. So can you memorize everything? Can you memorize this one? Can you memorize everything? Okay, let's see that. 자, 봅시다. And then also I will explain how to say as 11 or as 12 or 13. I will explain about this. Okay, so let's see. Just a moment. 봅시다. Can you memorize everything? Can you memorize everything? 봅시다. This one now. Look at this. Yeah. This is the first is O, okay? O. Is it so? Is this? Okay, let's see. So we should know how to do also mathematics. Mathematics. Do you know? So how to do mathematics? This 11 is 10 plus 1, right? You know that? It's a 10 plus 1. And then 12 is 10 plus 2, right? Do you understand? Okay, can you see all? Can you see everything? So it's this one is a sheep. This one is a sheep, and then this one is ear. So 11 is a sheep ear. Okay, this is sheep ear. And then it's a 10 plus 2, so 12 is a sheep E. Okay, sheep E. Okay, look at this. Something like this. And then some more of that. And then this one 10 plus 3, so this is sheep sa. Okay, good. Do you understand everything? How to say? Yeah, how to say? Do you understand everything? Do you understand? 다 이해했어요? Do you understand? That's good. So, if you would like to use this one naturally, you should know this one everything. So what is this? This is ear. This one, what is this? This is E. This is Sam. Okay, this is Sa, and this is O. This is U, and this is Shi. So you should know this one as memorize everything. Okay. And then you should know also that 11 is so 11 is 10 plus 1, and then so that sheep ear, and then 12 is 10 plus 2, set, so sheep E. Okay, sheep E with this. Good. All right. Do you understand everything? 다 이해됐어요? Do you understand everything? So I'll give you your time to memorize everything to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? It's until Friday, you should memorize this one. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? You should memorize everything. I will let you know how to say 21, 22, 23, and then 100, 200. Okay? I will let you know. Okay? You understand what I mean? 알겠어요? Good. As today's class is you should memorize something, so I make this class a little short. Okay? Yeah. As please memorize 1 to 10 how to read. Okay? And then how to make as 11, 12, 13 how to say this one. Okay? You should know this one. Okay? Memorize it. Okay? You understand? Okay, today class is done. Okay? Do you have a question? Do you have a question? 질문 있어요? Do you have a question? 없어요? Then the next class is Friday 7 p.m. Okay, next class is Friday 7 p.m. Okay, good. Next class is a Friday. Can you show one more time how to write 6? 6 is okay. I will show you one more time. Just a moment. Yeah, just a moment. 잠깐만요. Okay. So I will upload the also video. Also you can watch the everything. Okay? I will upload the video. 제가 비디오 올려놓을게요. I will upload the video. So you can watch and then you can review. Okay? I will also upload the video. So you can watch the also video. Okay? That is 1 is il, 2 is i, and 3 is a 삼, and 4 is a 사, 5 is 오, and 6 is 육, 7 is a 칠, and 8 is a 팔, and 9 is 구, and 10 is 10. Okay? Good? Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. And today class is finished. Okay? If you don't have any question anymore, today's class is done. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. And then see you Friday 7 p.m. Okay? Yeah. Bye bye. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.